Welcome back to my channel Techno Trend Zone. Today, we're diving deep into the DJI Avata 3, the latest evolution in DJI's FPV drone lineup. With cutting-edge features, enhanced performance, and immersive flight experiences, is this the ultimate drone for creators and enthusiasts? Stick around as we explore everything this powerful machine has to offer. Camera and imaging. Equipped with a high-performance 4K camera, the DJI Avata 3 delivers breathtaking visuals with exceptional clarity and vibrant colors. Thanks to its advanced gimbal stabilization system, footage remains smooth even during high-speed maneuvers. The drone's wide dynamic range captures intricate details in both highlights and shadows, making it ideal for cinematic shots. With support for HDR video, the Avata 3 enhances overall recording quality, offering various frame rates and resolutions to suit content creators aiming for professional-grade results. An exciting addition is the improved low-light performance, allowing users to capture stunning footage even in challenging lighting conditions. Design and build quality. Continuing the compact and rugged design of its predecessors, the DJI Avata 3 features a durable frame built to withstand the rigors of FPV flying. Its lightweight build improves agility, while reinforced materials provide resistance to minor impacts during intense flights. The aerodynamic structure minimizes drag, optimizing flight efficiency. Stylish LED indicators add a sleek aesthetic, while the modular design allows for easy maintenance and upgrades, making it a practical choice for both hobbyists and professionals alike. The new, customizable shell colors add a personal touch to the drone, catering to individual style preferences. Flight performance. The DJI Avata 3 takes flight performance to the next level with precise controls and responsive handling. Its upgraded propulsion system delivers faster speeds and greater agility, enabling dynamic aerial maneuvers. With an extended flight time of up to 25 minutes, pilots can enjoy longer sessions to capture stunning visuals. Enhanced obstacle avoidance sensors add an extra layer of safety, allowing confident navigation through complex environments. Additionally, improved wind resistance ensures stability even in challenging weather conditions. Customizable flight modes cater to both casual users and professional pilots. The addition of a Noob Sport Plus mode offers enhanced acceleration and top speeds for adrenaline-packed flights. Immersive FPV experience. Designed for an immersive flying experience, the DJI Avata 3 pairs seamlessly with DJI's latest FPV goggles and controllers. The high-resolution goggles provide real-time, low-latency streaming, offering pilots a first-person perspective that enhances situational awareness. With customizable flight modes, including manual and cinematic, the Avata 3 meets the needs of both beginners and experienced FPV enthusiasts. Intuitive controls and advanced usability features make this drone an ideal choice for aerial cinematography. The new motion controller offers even more intuitive handling, perfect for pilots seeking a more natural flying experience. Advanced safety features. Safety is a top priority with the DJI Avata 3. Equipped with omnidirectional obstacle sensors, the drone can detect and navigate around potential obstacles with ease. The return-to-home feature ensures the drone safely returns to its takeoff point if connectivity is lost or the battery runs low. Geofencing technology prevents the drone from entering restricted airspace, ensuring compliance with local regulations. These enhancements make the Avata 3 a reliable choice for worry-free flying. New emergency brake and hover functions provide added security in tight flying spaces. Battery life and power management. With an upgraded battery system providing up to 25 minutes of flight time per charge, the DJI Avata 3 allows for extended shooting sessions. The batteries support quick swapping, reducing downtime and maximizing productivity. Advanced power management features ensure consistent performance while fast charging capabilities allow users to get back in the air quickly. Perfect for capturing dynamic scenes on the go. The new intelligent battery system optimizes power usage for longer flights. Remote control and connectivity. The DJI Avata 3 features an ergonomic remote control system that offers precise inputs and responsive handling. Customizable buttons provide quick access to essential features, enhancing the pilot's control experience. With an improved transmission range, the drone maintains stable connectivity over longer distances, making it ideal for exploring vast landscapes. The DJI Fly app provides real-time telemetry, allowing users to adjust settings and view live feeds directly from their mobile devices. Enhanced 2.4/5.8 GHz dual-band transmission ensures stable performance in various environments. Find My Drone feature. An advanced Find My Drone feature offers peace of mind in case of unexpected landings. Using GPS tracking, the app pinpoints the last known location of the drone, helping users recover it efficiently. The drone also emits audible signals to assist in close-range searches, ensuring that it can be easily located even in dense environments. This feature is invaluable for protecting your investment and ensuring your drone is never lost. Conclusion: the DJI Avata 3 is a feature-packed FPV drone that combines advanced capabilities, exceptional performance, and a user-friendly design. With its robust build, innovative safety systems, and upgraded camera, the Avata 3 is suitable for both recreational and professional use. Whether you're an experienced pilot or just getting started with FPV flying, this drone offers the tools and reliability needed to explore the skies with confidence and creativity. Thank you for watching Techno Trend Zone. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment below with your thoughts, and share it with fellow drone enthusiasts. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell to stay updated on our latest tech reviews, guides, and exciting content. Stay tuned for more, and until next time, keep exploring, innovating, and taking your aerial photography to new heights with Techno Trend Zone.